Where is everybody? Hey, a blue drop just spawned near me.
Oh god damn it.
Here if I take some of this cooked meat.
Wait. Are flare guns a one-time use?
Yeah. Surprise.
I thought the gun was unlimited and all you need was gunpowder.
Surprise!
Are you talking about the flare gun?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's okay. Mats are easy to get.
That's lame.
But you don't have to repair. Oh yeah? Well,
Did I mention that's lame?
I like to see. Especially when your charge goes out. And then you just pretty much clusterfuck an area where everyone's like, oh, shiny thing in the sky. What's that? And they get scared.
Well, it is freaking scary.
I don't know, how does it look like